Okay, let's do the homework. So we have turbo machines, a turbine. Here is V1 coming with an angle alpha 1, and that's what he wants us to calculate. And what's giving to us is the RPM, 600 RPM, radius R1, so we know then the U, right? U is omega R. And we were also given the flow rate Q, and the flow rate will allow us to calculate what Q is A times velocity, and the velocity should be the velocity normal to the area. So from the flow rate we can calculate the velocity. And the geometry, the plate height, and that angle, the angle of relative velocity. Okay, so how do you think about this problem? If you want this alpha, if you want this velocity, then we will probably, this angle, we probably get it from this triangle. Okay, let me blow up this triangle so that we can see. So here is V1, absolute velocity, and here is the omega R1, and here is the relative velocity. Okay, so U plus W equal V1, and we are after that V1. So I'm gonna get it from that triangle. What is that triangle? It has V1 over here, and it has V1 theta over here, and it has V1 radial over here. Okay, it happened that V1R is also W1R. The absolute velocity and the relative velocity, they have the same radial component. Okay, so from the flow rate, Q is area multiplied by velocity. Here's the area, 2 by R1H multiplied by V1R. And since you know the Q and you know the area, you will be able to calculate the velocity. V1R is 10.61. Then in that triangle, the small triangle here that has V1 relative in that area, and you got V1R here, and you got the tangential component of the relative velocity. So you know 75 degree, and you know we just found this, we can get this guy from tan beta. So tan, this angle is the vertical over the horizontal. It's W1R over W1 theta, and so this allow you to get this. So very good. So now we have W1 theta 2.84, and we have the U. Then we actually have this guy, the whole horizontal component of V1, and we have the vertical component of V1. So from that you would say, well, V1 theta is U1 plus W1 theta, it's 40, and you'd say tan alpha is eventually this over this, 10.6 over 40, and alpha is 14.6, right?